27-year-old Brianna Young will be held without bond after being charged with capital murder for the death of her 5-year-old son.
These charges were upgraded from child abuse and child deprivation after the early results of the autopsy were released.
WTVA's Gardner Montgomery was at today's court hearing in Tupelo. He joins us live in the All-America City to share details of the case.
Now, the full, complete autopsy report isn't finalized and won't be for several months. Around 6 to 8 months is what the detective estimated, but the early results are disturbing. Detective Jacob Wedlock shared that the body of 5-year-old Caleb Bogan had multiple injuries, including broken ribs and bruises to the head. The injuries that contributed to the cause of death are brain bleed and severe burns. Detective Wedlock says Young was the sole caretaker of Caleb at the time of his death. Wedlock says Young whipped her son and burned him with a curling iron. Before his death, Young was afraid to take her son to get medical care that he needed out of fear of her children being taken by Child Protective Services. That's where the murder charge stems from. And I talked with a public defender representing Young in this case, and he shared a little bit of Young's perspective with me.
If her truth is her truth, needs to be put out there. Make law enforcement prove their case. And so that's what she fully intends to do, and it's every bit of her right to do it.
Detective Wedlock has said that Young has been cooperating with him on this case. Some of her family was also in attendance at this hearing. Reporting live from Tupelo, Gardner Montgomery, WTVA 9 News.